going to do today, Joy? It is a surprise. We can't wait. Okay, let's cast our magic spell. Chi-chu-cha! Hi, 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 hi. Little ones, let's open these colorful eggs one by one. Oh yeah, let's go. Pick me. Thank you. Let's open the red egg first. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's number 1. 1. Pick me. Thank you. Let's open the yellow egg next. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's number 2. 2. Pick me. Thank you. Shall we open the blue egg? Open, open, open. Surprise! It's number 3. 3. Pick me. Thank you. Let's open the green egg next. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's number 4. 4. Pick me. Thank you. Shall we open the purple egg? Open, open, open. Surprise! It's number 5. 5. Pick me. Thank you. Let's open the orange egg next. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's number 6. 6. Pick me. Thank you. Shall we open the black egg? Open, open, open. Surprise! It's number 7. 7. Pick me. Thank you. Let's open the brown egg next. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's number 8. 8. Pick me. Thank you. Shall we open the pink egg? Open, open, open. Surprise! It's number 9. 9. Pick me. Thank Thank you. Let's open the white egg next. Open, open, open. Surprise! It's number 10. 10. Thank you, kids, for learning about numbers of 1 to 10. See you again soon. Bye-bye.